Want to make LibreOffice Calc calculate your data automatically? Formulas let you add numbers, subtract values, multiply amounts, calculate percentages, and perform many other calculations directly inside your spreadsheet. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use formulas in LibreOffice Calc in 2026. So let's get started. First, open LibreOffice Calc and enter the data you want to calculate. For example, you could create columns for products, quantities, prices, and totals. Organizing your data into clear rows and columns makes it much easier to create formulas. Next, select an empty cell where you want the calculation to appear. Start the formula with an equals sign, then reference the cells you want to calculate. For example, you can multiply a quantity by a price to calculate a total. Calc supports common mathematical operators for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You can combine these operators to create more detailed calculations. Cell references are especially useful because the result updates automatically when the underlying values change. Now let's use built-in functions for more advanced calculations. Functions such as sum and average can calculate values across a range of cells without entering every calculation manually. Functions can save a lot of time when you're working with larger spreadsheets. If you need the same calculation for multiple rows, you don't have to type the formula again each time. Use the fill handle to copy the formula down the column. Calc automatically adjusts relative cell references as the formula is copied to other rows. Finally, review your formulas and make sure the results are correct. Change a few input values to confirm that the calculations update as expected, then save your spreadsheet. So your Calc spreadsheet is now using formulas to calculate information automatically, and that's how to use formulas in LibreOffice Calc. Enter your data, create formulas with cell references, use common operators and functions, copy formulas across your spreadsheet, and check the results before saving. Once you understand these basics, you can automate many everyday calculations and work much more efficiently in Calc. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.